I'm so excited to come to you all with this video today. It's Rock Natural here. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And as you can see, this video is going to be giving you some tips on how to take the perfect photo when you're by yourself, you don't have the right equipment, and you're like, I just need to get it done, if you know what I'm saying. But before we get started, I wanted to mention that this video is actually sponsored by the Boss Social, which was created by That Camera Gal, and I'm so excited to be talking about this course because I plan to use multiple methods that I use in this course. She talks about so many things that I haven't seen on the internet yet, and I'm always looking for ways to grow my Instagram and be a part of the community that gets money through Instagram. This course was created by That Camera Gal, who has over she actually has over 30,000 followers now, using so many of these methods that she talks about in her course. You should definitely look into taking this course if you're interested in growing your Instagram. Like I said, I learned so much. I do have an affiliate link in the description below. Be sure to go there, check it out. Check out her Instagram, see how she's doing great things. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Have you ever been trying to take the perfect selfie, and no matter what you do, you just can't get the right angle, the right length away, and you're just so frustrated? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you some tips that I use to get the perfect selfie or full-length photo when there's no one around. The first one is, if you're using your phone, you want to take your phone and place it on somewhere that will hold up your phone. For me, I usually like to find any random spot throughout my house, or even if I'm somewhere else, and I'll use my timer. And then I will set up my phone with the outer facing camera so that it's the clearest picture. And then what I'll do is, since there's a timer and there is a flash, then you know when it's going to go off and you'll be all done. Here again is me finding another random spot. I'm using a candle this time in my kitchen area, and I just propped it up. Another thing I like to do is, if I'm outside and I want some greenery and there's no one there to help me, I will often find some random tree or branch to put my phone on and sit it there. So then I'll stand back, do the same exact thing, set the timer, and then step back so that it can be a full-length picture like this one here. So if you have that camera that you use to film on, I actually have this Canon G7 camera, but I also have another Canon camera that I use, and both times I've been able to find some type of camera app to be able to take pictures. So this app that I'm using today, if you have a camera or if you have a phone, great. If you have a remote, great. But this is just one way I'm able to take some great photos for my thumbnails, for my Instagram, if I'm taking it alone. This camera, I don't know if it does have a timer, but like I have to click the button and then run, and then it's just out of focus. So this was just the easiest way. So you go to the Camera Connect app and you connect to the camera Wi-Fi, and then you click on the camera and you turn on the camera's Wi-Fi as well. So you do that first, and then you connect, and then you're able to use the remote. So once you identify the name of the Wi-Fi here, you'll go to your list of Wi-Fi names on your phone and connect, and then go back to the app. And as you can see here, I'm connected to the remote now, and now I'm completely controlling my camera by my phone. And what I love is that this is so easy for me just to stand back, take the photo. I don't have to purchase any additional remote if I don't want to, and it's completely free. Here are two photos that I took a while back. one, you can see doesn't have any editing on it yet, and I'm kind of slouching. And the other one, I'm looking on point, it's edited, and it's Instagram ready. So I can do a whole separate video on how to take photos, but I just wanted to point this out as my tip number 3. Sit or stand up tall like the picture on the left compared to the picture on the right where you're slouching. It's just less attractive to the eye. I find that if you're standing or sitting up tall, you'll most likely feel more confident and the picture will just look better overall. So I really hope all these tips that you learned in today's video were very helpful in helping you level up on Instagram and take those selfies if you're by yourself, or take those other photos if you're by yourself and you don't have all the equipment. You don't need no fancy equipment. Use these tips from this video to get the perfect picture in that outfit of the day, that OOTD. And then also, if you do have the same camera as I, or any Canon camera, be sure to download that app. I want to say one more thank you to That Camera Gal. Her Instagram course was just so helpful for me in using some of the tips I already know and learning so much more in her course, that I really do highly recommend you taking this course to learn all about the Instagram hacks and how to grow your Instagram. Like I said, she's been using these methods and was able to grow her channel over 30,000. Check out the link below, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!